Today I would like to show you this quite interesting vintage CCTV black and white CRT screen. The unit is quite interesting. This is made in Japanese, and the most interesting part is the connector for this unit. And if you take a closer look, the input signal is using the UHF connector, and that's exactly what you can find on the HF radios. And don't let the UHF name mislead you, because many years ago the HF was actually called UHF, so that's why I'm telling you that you can find a UHF connector on the HF radio. On the back we've got also ability to change the impedance. I believe you can swap that from 50 ohm to 75, but it's actually only telling you on off. Here we've got input, most likely for remote controlling the cameras, and we've got two inputs for two cameras. Everything is in a nice metal chassis, and I was using this with a vintage computer like a Commodore or Atari, and it was making absolutely great setup. Here I'm feeding signal out of my vintage Sony Handycam camera, and it's just using a standard composite video connector, and we are the cinch, and we are feeding the signal. And as you can see, the picture is really nice. Actually that goes out of focus, but that's a fault of the camera. The video itself is very nice and sharp. We've got a lot of adjustment. We can adjust the contrast and the brightness, and if you take a look, those are similar pod that you can find on the oscilloscope, that have got two settings, the outer ring and the inner ring. If you've got a problem, let me unzoom. If you've got a problem and you cannot see a steady picture, that's when you adjust the vertical and horizontal hold until you've got a nice steady picture. I'm on the cell phone. I'm recording with my iPhone, and that's why I cannot adjust the shutter speed to match the screen and remove the black stripes. But I've got a exactly perfect picture without any stripe. We've got a volume adjustment, and that's mean we've got a speaker, so we could feed this unit with a audio signal. We've got ability to choose between one and the two camera, and here we've got the adjustment for the camera itself, and those allow you to remotely adjust the camera, so you can adjust the focus left, right. Maybe you can pan the camera. And here we've got the stuff for controlling the focus. That will be like I believe that will be like a zooming, and that's how it looks like. And here we've got the power on and the off switch. So very nice device, very old, absolutely great match for a vintage computer. Nice build, metal frame. So I hope you find it interesting. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.